Alright, so I've been wanting a compact wireless keyboard to use with my home TV system, and also to use with my laptop too, as for example I do a lot of video editing and sometimes my laptop on my lap, well basically the heat from that transfers to my legs and I just want to sit back and relax, push the laptop aside and be able to hook up a wireless keyboard. So today we finally got our hands on this SEENDA SK64-B3 full-size scissor switch Bluetooth wireless keyboard. Now this is advertised as being compatible with Android devices, macOS and Windows. It does retail between £25 to £30, that's around 35 to 42 in US dollars, with other keyboard and mouse options being provided at an additional extra cost. The box itself is quite simple, you've got an image of the keyboard to the front and to the back. So yes, very minimalistic, but inside it's good to see that we've got this nice keyboard protective film to help protect the keyboard from accidental splashes or to protect it from dust. Now because this keyboard is rechargeable, I'm guessing that there's a charge cable somewhere. Yes, we have actually got, is it a micro USB? No, in fact it's a Type-C charge cable. So yes, we've got fast charging when it comes to recharging the SEENDA keyboard. So nope, you won't have to replace the batteries with this keyboard, and in fact it only takes 2 hours from flat to fully recharge it. With that full recharge you should get up to 200 hours use. Now let's see, do we get, oh yes we do, we get instructions, so let's just open it up. So yes, we got a well set out user guide, and looking at the keyboard itself, I've actually got to say that it certainly has an iMac keyboard look about it. It has a matte grey metal panel, larger than normal keycaps, which okay, they're not fully silent, but are definitely more silent than traditional keyboards. Again, these keys do sit on scissor switches, which again, when typing, actually provides satisfying comfort for nice placement of hands. Now the SK64-B3 is really lightweight. It has an ultra slim design, tilted at an 8 degrees angle, again to enable comfortable use on flat surfaces or indeed your lap. Magnetically attached to the rear of the keyboard, we do get a Bluetooth dongle to enable Bluetooth connectivity. But what's good with this keyboard is that you also get internally dual Bluetooth connectivity. So if you've got a gadget and you've not got Bluetooth connectivity, you can simply hook up this dongle, plug it into say your laptop if it's not got Bluetooth, or your PC system, or for example your TV. Plug this dongle in and you should follow the steps in the user manual on how to connect. But for example if your TV, PC or laptop, or indeed Android device already has Bluetooth built in, which these days most appliances already have, then connectivity is very simple. By first switching the keyboard on to the rear. You can see we've got the on off switch, let's turn it on, and we're going to focus on these Bluetooth keys just here. We're going to choose the first Bluetooth channel, so let's press BT1. That Bluetooth channel is switched on, indicated by the flashing white light. Now that should flash twice and it looks like it's turned on just now. Let's press and hold it for a few seconds. And as that white light rapidly flashes, that does indeed indicate that pairing mode is activated, and we're simply going to search and select BT 2.4G KB from our Bluetooth device list. You should get a little on-screen notification if you're using Android, but it should be different when you're using your Android or smart TV. Connectivity from here should be very straightforward, and it's as simple as that really. So looking back to the keyboard, we're going to look at the Bluetooth options once again. So we've got a mouse option and we've got a channel 2 option. So we can connect to 2 different devices at one given time and select that device by pressing either 1 or 2. Now, for example, if you want to hook up a mouse, you can buy an extra mouse from the SEENDA website, and then you can hook that up to this keyboard without having to hook up to any of those additional Bluetooth channels. I personally do like this keyboard. Okay, it's not backlit or anything like that. As I've been using this particular keyboard for the past couple of days now, I really do like its ease of use, feeling comfortable typing for a lengthy amount of time, and within that time there was rarely any accidental key presses due to the size of those oversized keys. Which, with the traditional keyboard layout, with the full-size enter key and the extra added numeric keypad to the right, everything is optimized, with certain media function controls also being added too. Now, one thing I will say, guys, is with the minimized rubber feet to the left and right rear, well, on flat surfaces, it doesn't actually have very good grip, I'm afraid. It does indeed have a bit of a tendency to slide back when adding a bit of pressure. Don't get me wrong, this keyboard has absolutely been fantastic when using it in conjunction with my smart TV. Like I mentioned, I will be adding a mouse alongside this keyboard later this week. It does certainly have a simplistic, but you know what, modern look design about it, which is nice and flat, and you know what, also enables you to wipe any dust off very swiftly. Now, because the SEENDA keyboard is within an affordable price range, I am simply going to give it a 9 out of 10 today. And that's because of the nice response time when pressing the keys to when the text shows on screen. Everything is very swift, the wireless key type signal reaction time is fantastic, and when it comes to that Bluetooth transmission, you know what, didn't disconnect whatsoever, not from my Android device, not from my laptop, and not from my smart TV. It does have a pretty good distance too. I managed to actually walk upstairs with this nice SEENDA keyboard today, all the way upstairs, no signal disconnection, being able to type from upstairs to the TV downstairs and to my laptop also. So yes, a nice affordable keyboard. Can't actually find anything wrong except for those rubber feet to the rear, which again, a bit of a sliding issue, but not too bad if your hands are placed at a slightly higher angle. But yes, a nice keyboard, and if you'd like to check this out for yourself, well, I will leave a link in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any way, so you're free to check it out, but if you like what you see, well, why not go get yours? As usual, guys, while you're in that video description, please make sure to subscribe to this channel today, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated up on our new uploads. Now, this is actually going to remain our main home PC keyboard from now on, and we will be doing some more tech reviews coming later this week, so stay tuned for them. But as usual, guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching.